know, Vermont public high school students have an incredible opportunity to get a head start on college while saving money on tuition? The Vermont Dual Enrollment Program allows high school juniors and seniors to take up to 2 college courses with tuition covered. That's right, get ahead on college credits for less than 2 trips to the movies. This program, supported by the Vermont Agency of Education, is available to all juniors and seniors enrolled in public high schools across the state. It's a perfect chance to get a head start on credits and explore a college major while still in high school. Getting started is easy. There are 2 pathways. You can apply for a dual enrollment voucher through the Vermont Agency of Education's website or submit your course application on UVM's pre-college website. If you choose to apply for a pre-college course before the state's voucher application window opens, be sure to email your voucher number to your UVM pre-college advisor once it has been approved by your high school counselor. If you start by submitting your request through the Vermont Agency of Education's website during the voucher enrollment period, your school counselor will review and approve your voucher. After approval, you'll use your voucher number to complete your application for a UVM class, including Summer Academy. After you submit the course application, your parent or guardian will receive an email containing a registration approval form. This form must be completed and signed to confirm participation in the dual enrollment program. If you are pursuing a course that requires prerequisites for enrollment, your UVM pre-college advisor will guide you through the process after you submit your application. Once you've submitted your dual enrollment voucher application, UVM course application, and a parent guardian has signed the registration approval form, UVM's online registration team will handle your enrollment automatically. Pro tip, popular courses fill up fast. Be sure to stay ahead of the application process to secure your seat. Students will receive communication after enrollment with next steps for becoming an official UVM pre-college student, including NetID setup and MyUVM access. Take this opportunity to expand your knowledge, discover your passions, and get ahead on college credits before you even graduate high school. Jumpstart your college experience at University of Vermont through Vermont's dual enrollment program. Learn more about how Vermont high school students can participate at learn.uvm.edu.